Hello dear friends! In this video I'll be making crystals that you can use to decorate desserts, cakes, cupcakes, pastries and fondants. Pour cold water into a saucepan. Add agar-agar. Cook over medium heat for 10 minutes, stirring constantly. Add sugar. Bring to a boil, then boil the mixture for another 7 to 8 minutes. At this stage, you can optionally add any flavoring of your choice. Carefully pour the hot mixture into molds. Choose any molds you like. Add food coloring and mix thoroughly. You can choose any color you like. Use just a tiny bit, literally on the tip of a toothpick, to color the mixture. Sprinkle gold confectioner's powder on top. Use a toothpick to make swirls. Place in the fridge for a couple of hours. Use a knife to remove from the mold. Then, wet your hands with water so the mixture doesn't stick, and remove the crystals from the molds. Break them into random pieces and lay them out on a silicone mat. These gummy crystals can already be used for decorating, but I recommend letting them dry a bit more. Leave them like this for a few days and then they'll be ready to use. I hope you enjoy this video. See you!